Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil. In previous video I have explained about how you can open the multiple PDFs in a PDF viewer by providing the gallery. Okay, like this. If you click any of this particular listed PDFs, it will show accordingly in a PDF viewer. Okay, so this is the best way to open the multiple PDFs. But what if you want to show only the static PDF? I will show you. Okay, so if I play this, because I have not added navigation. Okay, so if you open this, there are two ways to open a PDF, right? But if you want, the normal way is like this. Open this URL, means directly provide the link to the URL and it will open. But if you want to open the PDF only in the Power App only with the PDF viewer, so that you will get multiple things to do, scrolls and zoom in, zoom out and all these things. Okay, like this. If you see on these controls and all, right, plus minus, zoom in, zoom out, yes, सब कुछ, right? But if you want only one static PDF, right, you don't want to give options to the end users. So how to do it, I will show you today. So I will not go into details about how to create this. Link in the description. You can open that video and you can watch it, so you will get the idea about how you can add a gallery, how you can add PDF viewer, and how to create a Power Automate flow to showcase the data URL, is to get the data URL and feed this particular PDF viewer, so that you will see the PDFs, multiple PDFs. Now let's say now this video is very simple. Now the ID is important over here, so let's do one thing. Let's add one more text and see the IDs, because we have to filter out according to the IDs. Okay, because every particular item has particular IDs. So let's say if you want to showcase only the next one, main browser, first one, so we'll filter out accordingly. Okay, so ID is important. Okay, so we have ID number. So now what we'll do is we will apply filter, okay, comma ID is equal to 11. Okay, now it will show only one PDF. Okay, and I will add one back button. Okay, before that, now you don't want to show the gallery, you want just a PDF, a static PDF. Okay, in case in future if you wanted, you have to just switch to these IDs, means let's say 13 or 20, whatever you have, so that only that particular PDF will show. Now I don't want this, so what I will do is I will set this property as visible property as false. Okay, now it is completely off, means now it's not visible. Now you will just drag this thing, the PDF thing, and just expand this. Okay, just expand this, and because we just want to go again, so that's why we will add a back button, back arrow somewhere at the top, and just put back function. Okay, now if you go again and you want to see the view card details, it will open only that particular main browser, and this is how you will see the static one PDF in your Power App. So isn't it cool, right? It's very easy. You have to just apply, means what we have already set up these our PDF gallery and all this thing. You have to just apply the filter criteria and then just expand this PDF viewer and hide the main our gallery, PDF gallery, and yeah, that's it, and you will get functionality to open your end user to showcase only the particular PDF. In my case, it's Nexon browser. Okay, what you have to do is in your case you have to just filter the IDs, and then yeah, you are good to go. So I hope you like this video. If you like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.